Welcome to Squadcast, a reliability management platform that unites on-call alerting and incident management with SRE workflows under one hood. Now automate and revamp your incident response process and refine service expectations by continuously learning from your past incidents, all within a simple, integrated, affordable, and customizable platform. Here's a quick demo of how Squadcast can help your team with your reliability needs. Bring all incident-related information into Squadcast and route alerts to the appropriate responders. Track SLO by defining service-level indicators and automate various steps within the response process when you're hit with an incident. With Squadcast, you can aggregate alerts from different parts of your IT infrastructure by defining services. This helps you to track complete outages or even partial degradation. These services can be configured to monitor your uptime, measure page load time, track errors, etc. Squadcast integrates with over 100 monitoring, logging, error tracking, and APM tools natively. Additionally, services can be configured via our API or our Terraform provider. This helps developers set up and use the platform at scale. Squadcast's automation rules give you the flexibility to customize incident notifications. You can use tagging and routing rules to tag certain incidents and route them to the relevant responders. By configuring deduplication rules and suppression rules, you can reduce alert noise and alert fatigue. You can also set up maintenance windows during scheduled downtime for services. By using Squadcast's Schedules feature, you can easily define on-call rotations and overrides for your team to ensure immediate incident response at all times. In addition, you can define an escalation policy for incidents to notify users at specific time intervals. These users can be notified via email, push, SMS, and phone calls. You can customize user permissions for all the features explained earlier using role-based access control. Squadcast can be smoothly integrated into your existing tech stack. By leveraging the integration with ChatOps tools such as Slack, MS Teams, and Google Hangouts, you can quickly assemble your team for collaboration during incident response. You can also integrate with CI/CD tools, such as Circle CI for quick rollbacks and take remediation actions on your incident. Or simply use webhooks to post incident information onto third-party platforms. Reduce time to resolve by taking actions on other platforms with human-in-the-loop automation facilitated by runbooks. Not just for on-call, you can use Squadcast to also set the precedence for how SRE is done in your organization. The Incident Dashboard provides a summary of all incidents and how your team has responded during a crisis. View key metrics such as mean time to acknowledge and mean time to resolve incidents. This helps indicate the average response times and performance of your on-call teams. You can see detailed information for each incident, such as affected services, activity timelines, the responder who is currently working on it, and its resolution status. With our Analytics feature, you can use the available incident data to generate insights, spot areas of improvement, and identify system bottlenecks causing the most alerts and outages. Communication during an incident to concerned stakeholders and understanding why it occurred in the first place are core tenets of the SRE culture. Set up private or public status pages to communicate the status of services to your stakeholders and customers by posting updates on the incidents affecting them. Simultaneously, you can also have them subscribe to email updates posted on the status page. Postmortems provide a way for you to create a knowledge base of failures and fixes This can be passed on to your team to build a culture of shared learning and learning from failure. You can use one of our pre-existing postmortem templates or upload a custom template from the settings menu and use them. Squadcast gives you an opportunity to adopt world-class site reliability practices with a centralized SLO dashboard to view your system health, anticipate incidents before they occur, and respond proactively. Keep track of your reliability metrics by defining SLO and error budgets and monitor the corresponding SLI. You can also manage incidents on the go with our mobile app. Add a layer of flexibility to your incident response actions with our native mobile apps designed not only to manage incidents but also take action on them. Our mobile app is available for both iOS and Android. If you are interested in a full demo customized to your needs, schedule a one-on-one demo by clicking on the button below, and our team will get in touch with you. Alternatively, test drive the platform yourself by signing up for free. Happy squadcasting!